Hi, my name is Craig from Hartz Brands, and what I want for this video is to break down exactly how you can make $100 every day without much effort. And the best part is that anyone can do this even if you've never made money online before. I'll cover the easiest way I ever made money online in my 20 years of online marketing and e-commerce. 2 words. Facebook Marketplace, one other word, eBay. Equals $100 or £100 a day, easy. No stock is required and no marketing spend is required. No investment is required. First, I'll show you what to do. Then I'll show you my spreadsheet breakdown. Then I'll give you some tips, tricks and hacks to make even more money from this money-making method. You add products directly from eBay onto your Facebook Marketplace. You add a 30% margin and boom, money. People message you, they'll negotiate with you sometimes, you accept the funds via PayPal. You can use other apps, but I use PayPal. Why? Because it gives the buyer protection, which reduces the risk in their heads when they're sending over money to someone they've never met before. It creates trust, basically. Although I've had people send me money directly into my bank account, which is preferable, as then I don't have to pay PayPal's fees, which means more margin for me. Anyway, back to the process. They've decided to buy a product from Facebook Marketplace. They've transferred the funds. You ask for their postage address, and then you go and buy it from eBay and send it directly to them. Simple. Can you make money on Facebook Marketplace, and how much? Yes, and it's up to you. The more products you list in more areas, the more you will make. But you don't just want to list anything. You want to be smart about it. First of all, there is no point listing Christmas trees in February. For example, listing Halloween stuff in October makes sense. Outdoor heaters in winter makes sense. Garden furniture during summer makes sense. And you can trend hack too, which is massive. And I'll cover that very shortly. So if you're listing products yourself, why put the same amount of work for less money? What do I mean? It will take the same amount of time for you to list a mug as it will to list a rug. Go for the rug. They sell very well, by the way. Same work, bigger profits. Next up are your products. Now, I mentioned using eBay as a supplier for your Facebook Marketplace listings. For this method, you can actually use any other marketplace or supplier. The money that I made was with eBay, so I will teach you that. You simply now take the images and descriptions from eBay and add them to your marketplace. I tend to add a 30% to a 50% markup. I have a Google Sheet set up on how to do this. Head over to hartzbrands.com/YouTube and it's yours. What is the best payment for Facebook Marketplace? I tend to use PayPal. It gives the buyer a feeling of protection, and although the fees add up, these are taken into account with our markup. Sometimes people pay directly into my bank account, which is a real bonus, but it's not too common. You've been paid! Now, head over to eBay, buy the product, make a note that it's a gift and not to add any invoices, receipts or promotional materials, and send directly to your buyer. Can it get any easier than that? No marketing spend, no stock, no investment, only your time. If you want to outsource the listing process to scale, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video how you do it. Remember, this is a numbers game. The more you list, the more you make. Simple. You've now learned how to find products, how to price products, what sells the most on Facebook Marketplace, how to list your products, and how to get that product to the customer. Now, let me show you the trend hack method I used to sell gazillion mirrors. Remember the TV show The Queen's Gambit on Netflix? It was very popular, right? Let's head over to my computer and I'll show you how to use the Netflix trend hack.